Natin tong Crytac PDWM. Shoutout kay Sir Eric. So MK2 PDWM. So out of the box ang kasama niya is a Crytac mid cap polymer. So and with Crytac markings. Outer front handguard is 4 inches. So naka PDW stock. Test natin guys. So battery na kinuha ni Bossing is UFC na 1.8 mAh. Sige, test natin. Corona check tayo. So for details, PM lang kayo sa page namin, Mavs Hobby Shop.